everyone. Myself Dr. S.L. Laudkar, one of the board members of Board of Studies Electronics and Telecommunication at Savitribai Phule Pune University. Also working as Dean Academics at JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research Pune. I am happy to announce that the Department of Electronics and Telecommunication at our institute is offering honors degree in the latest upcoming technologies. The latest technology in which the honors degree is offered are Internet of Things, virtual and augmented reality, artificial intelligence and machine learning, blockchain technology, data science and cybersecurity. The importance of learning these technologies will be discussed briefly by Dr. S.K. Bhatia, Head, Department of Electronics and Telecommunication, later in this video. The honors degree will be gained or achieved by gaining additional 20 credits, that is 5 credits per semester from third year of the degree program onwards. Now, let's listen to Dr. S.K. Bhatia Madam for the significance or the importance of learning these technologies. Thank you.
Greetings of the day. Thank you very much, Laudkar sir. Myself, Dr. S.K. Bhatia, Head of the Department, Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, Wagholi, Pune. As Laudkar sir already told you, that I am going to tell you about BEENTC Honours Degree with a specialization in IoT, robotics, machine learning, artificial intelligence, etc. Now, what is the need of these subjects in today's era? That is what we need to understand first. For that, we need to understand what is Industrial Revolution 4.0. Actually, it dates back to the history when Industrial Revolution started in around 1770s, when the industry was in very nascent stages. After about 100 years in 1870s, electricity came into picture and the industrial processes were linked to electricity. Then again after 100 years in 1970s, what came was the computer. Now, all the industrial processes were being controlled with the help of a computer. In the recent decade, what is now coming up is your Industrial Revolution 4.0, where technologies like your IoT, robotics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, augmented reality and virtual reality will now be controlling the industry. And this revolution is going to last for at least 50 to 60 years. And that is why we need to prepare our students and the skilled persons for understanding these technologies and applying these technologies. With this perspective, for example, Internet of Things, it means connecting billions and billions of devices to the internet and controlling these devices. For that, students should understand what is the hardware and the software related to the same. Similarly, robotics. All the industries will be going towards automation. That is why the robotics will be needed. So we need to know how that particular robot is functioning and how it is working. Similarly, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, etc. will help the industries to produce smarter products. So in this perspective, at our institute, in our department, we have Texas Instruments Innovation Center, where we develop the projects based on IoT, and we train not only our students but students from other colleges also for the same. Similarly, we provide professional training to the students for the courses on artificial intelligence and machine learning. We are also offering an elective subject of big data and analytics in the final year to our students under the university curriculum. So we have already taken these steps towards preparing our students towards Industry Revolution 4.0. Thank you very much.
Hello friends, I am Dr. Rajkumar Deshpande, working as a principal at JSPM's Imperial College of Engineering and Research, Wagholi, Pune. Friends, first of all, I would like to congratulate you because this year is the most crucial and difficult in your life. In spite of the coronavirus disease and many restrictions on you and many pressure, you have done a very good job. That is, you have completed your 12th science course and also scored a good marks in CET or JEE. So, credit goes to you. Now, your next journey, the most important, that is your career begins now. Many of you have your dreams in your life to achieve a status, good salary, and many things. Yes, these are going to become true when you are going to select the good and the best career. Among all, as you know, engineering provides a very bright future for all of you. I would like to mention that many Indians are at the top positions, not only in India, but in the topmost companies, including MNCs. And hence, you also got the same opportunity to go to that positions. Nowadays, many students ask me which branch has the demand, and many go for computer, and only computer. But is that a real picture? You are going to become an engineer after 4 years. This is 2020. So you will become engineer in 2024. So we have to think about the future, that in 2024 which technology is going to emerge and which technology and the branch of engineering will having a scope. Yes, no doubt the computer branch will be having a good scope, but also other branches such as electronics and telecommunication engineering, which is a very important part of our life, will also have a very good and bright future. Maybe I would like to say it is more brighter than the computer, because a person in ENTC engineering can go for the coding, programming, and also he can go for electronics, hard work, and so on. So you have to select very wisely your course. Don't get upset if you don't get the computer. The other handsome and lucrative branch is waiting for you, which will fulfill your dreams. And we are starting this course in our institute. If you have any problem, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much.